Ever wondered if that obscure altcoin you're holding is supported by a sleek, card-sized hardware wallet? Or perhaps you're looking for a secure way to store your Bitcoin and Ethereum, but also want the flexibility to manage thousands of other digital assets? If so, then you're in the right place, because today we're diving deep into the world of Tangem wallets and exploring the vast array of cryptocurrencies and networks they support. Tangem has carved out a unique niche in the hardware wallet space with its credit card-sized form factor and NFC-based interaction. Unlike traditional hardware wallets that often come with screens and buttons, Tangem simplifies the experience, making crypto security more accessible. But don't let its minimalist design fool you. Under the hood, Tangem packs a punch when it comes to coin compatibility. As of June 2025, the Tangem wallet is a powerhouse, supporting an impressive over 16,000 cryptocurrencies and tokens across more than 85 blockchain networks. This extensive compatibility makes it one of the most versatile hardware wallets available on the market. Let's talk about the big players first. Of course, Tangem fully supports Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, two of the most foundational cryptocurrencies. But it goes far beyond that. You can securely store and manage other popular crypto assets like Solana, SOL, Cardano, ADA, Polygon, Matic, BNB Smart Chain, BSC, Avalanche, AVAX, Polkadot, DOT, Tron, TRX, XRP Ledger, XRP, and even newer networks like zkSync Era, Arbitrum, Optimism, and Cerberium. Beyond individual coins, Tangem Wallet accommodates a vast range of token standards, which is crucial for managing the diverse world of digital assets. This includes ERC20, Ethereum. This is the most common token standard on the Ethereum blockchain, meaning you can store virtually any token built on Ethereum. BEP20, BNB Smart Chain. For those active in the Binance Smart Chain ecosystem, Tangem handles all BEP20 tokens. SPL, Solana's native token standard is also fully supported, allowing you to manage a wide array of tokens within its fast-growing ecosystem. TRC20, Tron. If you're using the Tron network, your TRC20 tokens are safe with Tangem. Sway native tokens. Support for emerging networks like Sway demonstrates Tangem's commitment to staying current with the crypto landscape. And if you happen to hold a less common token or one on a newer network, Tangem also offers the ability to add custom tokens. This means that even if a specific token isn't explicitly listed, as long as it's on a supported network like Ethereum, BNB Smart Chain, or Polygon, you can often add it manually using its smart contract address. To check if a specific cryptocurrency or token is supported, the easiest way is to visit the Tangem Supported Assets page on their official website and use the search function. The page will quickly display information about the asset's compatibility, including the networks it's supported on. The ability to manage such a broad spectrum of cryptocurrencies and tokens across numerous blockchain networks, all from a simple, secure card, is a significant advantage of the Tangem wallet. It combines the convenience of a hot wallet with the robust security of cold storage. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.